Okay, good morning, all of you. Today topic is chemical bond. The chemical bond are three types: ionic bond, covalent bond, and coordinate covalent bond. First, introduction. Chemical bond definition. The force of attraction between atoms of a molecule is known as chemical bond. Atoms of same element or different elements combine to form molecules. The capacity of atoms to combine among themselves was given in terms of valency. Valency defined as the number of atoms of hydrogen or twice the number of atoms of oxygen that combine with one atom of the element. Once repeat the chemical bond, the force of attraction between atoms of a molecule is known as chemical bond. The reason for the formation of a chemical bond between two atoms can be explained in terms of A. Lowering of energy, B. Electron configuration. Atoms in the uncombined state possess higher potential energy and are less stable, but when they combine to form molecules, they get more stability and potential energy of the system is lowered. During the bond formation, energy is released. This means lowering energy. That is, bond formation is exothermic. Example: one hydrogen atom and another hydrogen atom react to form hydrogen molecule plus its releases in this reaction 104 kilocalories energy. Atoms of noble gases are monoatomic and have little tendency to react with other atoms. Chemically, they are highly stable. The inertness of noble gases is due to the stable valency electron configuration, that is ns2 np6 octant configuration. Atoms of other elements tend to attain this noble gas configuration octant in their outermost orbits to get stability. In previous topic, the reason of the formation of a chemical bond between two atoms can be explained in terms of lowering energy, because the two atoms reacts to form molecule and releases some amount of energy because its energy is less or decreases, that is called lowering energy. Every atom gaining or losing or combined of electron configuration to get electron configuration ns2 np6 or zero group elements configuration. Whenever the zero group elements configuration are gaining or reaching, that molecule is stable. Electronic theory of valency. Cosell and Lewis in 1916 independently proposed a theory to explain chemical bonding in terms of electronic distribution based on Bohr's atomic model. This theory is called electronic theory of valency. Postulates of electronic theory of valency. First one, the electrons present in the outermost orbit of an atom take part in bond formation. These electrons are called valency electrons, and the outermost orbit is called valency orbit. Second one, noble gas elements are stable and chemically inert due to containing a fulfilled valency shell, that is ns2 np6 octant configuration. It is a very stable arrangement. Third one, atoms of other elements tend to attain 8 electrons in their valency orbit to get stability. This tendency is responsible for the bond formation. Atoms of elements combine to get a stable configuration in two ways. One is by transfer of electrons from one atom to another atom. Valency of elements due to transfer of electrons is called electrovalency. By the sharing of electrons between two atoms, valency of elements due to sharing of electrons is called covalency. Fifth one, the attaining of 8 electron configuration octant in the outermost orbit by losing or gaining or sharing of electrons to get stability is called octant rule. But elements near to helium get stability by having a configuration of 2 electrons in the first orbit. These five are postulates of electronic theory of valency. The electrons which is first one, the electrons which is present in outermost orbit or outer shell of an atom take part in bond formation. These electrons are called valency electrons, and the outermost orbit is called valency orbit. The chemical bond formation only participates valency electrons only. The inner electrons do not participate. The inner electrons and nucleus some strong attraction force. The valency electrons and nucleus to the distance or gap, because more gap, because it participate in chemical bond formation and are free. Its attraction is less to the nucleus because it is participated in chemical bond formation. Noble gas elements are stable or chemically it containing ns2 np6 configuration or fulfilled valency shell, that is octant configuration, because it is very stable arrangement. In s orbital filled 2 electrons and p orbital filled 6 electrons, because it's get octant configuration, it is stable arrangement. Atoms of other elements tend to attain 8 electrons in their valency orbit to get stability. Whenever atoms gaining or losing or sharing of electrons to get octant configuration, automatically it's get stability. This tendency is responsible for the bond formation. Atoms of elements combine to get stable configuration in two ways: by transfer of electrons from one atom to another. Valency of elements due to transfer of electrons is called electrovalency. By the sharing of electrons between two atoms, valency of elements due to sharing of electrons is called covalency. The attaining of 8 electron configuration or octet configuration in the outermost orbit by losing or gaining or sharing of electrons to get stability is called octet rule. But elements near to helium get stability by having a configuration of 2 electrons in the first orbit. Types of chemical bond. The type of bond formed between two atoms depends on the nature of elements or electronegativity. The chemical bond is mainly three types. A. The bond formed by the transfer of electrons between two atoms is called ionic bond. It is also known as electrovalent bond. This was proposed by Cossell. The bond formed by the sharing of electrons between two atoms is covalent bond. It was proposed by Lewis. The bond formed between metal atoms, two metal atoms, is called metallic bond. One is ionic bond. It is formed by the transfer of electrons. It is called electrovalent bond. It is proposed by Cossell. And the second one is the covalent bond. It is formed by the sharing of electrons. It is proposed by Lewis theory. And the next metallic bond, it is formed by the two metal atoms, is called metallic bond. Then ionic bond. The electrostatic force of attraction between oppositely charged ions formed by the transfer of electrons is called as ionic bond. It is also known as electrovalent bond. Ionic bond is formed between two atoms if electronegativity difference is more than 1.9. It is formed between a metal with low ionization energy and non-metal with high electronegativity. The formation of ionic bond takes place in three steps. First one, formation of cation atom from a neutral atom of metallic element. Formation of anion from a neutral atom of non-metallic element. Association of oppositely charged ions due to electrostatic attraction force. These three steps are compulsory to formation of ionic bond. One is the metallic element, it loses one electron or two electrons to form cation, and non-metallic element, it is gaining of electrons to form anion. One is getting positive charge and another one is negative charge. These oppositely charged ions by the transfer of electrons to form ionic bond. Examples: first one, sodium chloride. Sodium metal combines with chlorine gas to form solid sodium chloride. Then next, electron configuration of sodium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. It readily loses valency electron and gets nearest noble gas configuration, that is positive sodium ion is formed. In this equation, Na gives rise to Na plus electron, that is the 2 8 1 configuration, loss of 1 electron to get 2 8. Electronic configuration of chlorine is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. It gains of 1 electron from sodium to get nearest noble gas configuration, that is negative chloride ion is formed. Chlorine plus gaining of 1 electron, Cl minus. 287, 288. The positively charged Na plus and Cl minus ions are held together by electrostatic force of attraction, that is ionic bond is formed. Example 2, magnesium oxide. A magnesium metal combined with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Electron configuration of magnesium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. It lost 2 valency electrons to get nearest noble gas configuration, that is Mg plus 2 ion is formed. Mg gives rise to Mg plus 2 electrons, 2 8 2. It loss of 2 electrons, 2 8. Electronic configuration of oxygen is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. It gains 2 electrons from magnesium to get nearest noble gas configuration, that is oxygen minus 2 is formed. Oxygen plus 2 electrons gives rise to oxygen minus 2. It is first 2 comma 6, it gaining of 2 electrons, that is 2 comma 8. The oppositely charged Mg plus 2 and O minus 2 ions are held together by electrostatic force attraction, that is ionic bond formed. Mg plus 2 plus oxygen minus 2 gives rise to 2 MgO. Okay, today topic is chemical bond. First one, chemical bond definition. The force of attraction between atoms of a molecule is known as chemical bond. The reason for the formation of chemical bond is main. First one, lowering of energy. Next one, electron configuration. Lowering of energy. The atoms first to lose energy decreases energy, it is very stable, and another one also, its losses or gaining or sharing of electrons to get nearest to noble gas electron configuration, that is the stable configuration, and octant configuration. Next, electronic theory of valency, Cosell and Lewis, 1960. It is independently proposed this theory. This is also electronic theory of valency. In this main postulates the electrons which is present in outermost orbit, the electrons are called valency electrons and the shell is called valency orbit. When atoms are gaining, losing or sharing of electrons, it gets nearest noble gas elements configuration, that is ns2 np6. The elements transfer of electrons, that is called electrovalency. The another one is covalency. The three types of bonds, one is ionic bond, second one is covalent bond, third one is metallic bond. In ionic bond, the electrostatic force of attraction between oppositely charged ions formed by the transfer of electrons is called ionic bond. It is also known as electrovalent bond. The formation of ionic bond takes place in 3 steps. First one, formation of cation from a neutral atom of metallic element. Second one, formation of non-metallic element to form anion. These two oppositely charged ions by the electrostatic force of attraction to form ionic bond. In this topic, examples, one is sodium chloride, another one is magnesium oxide. Sodium losing of one electron, it gets neon configuration, and chlorine gets one electron, it gaining of one electron, it gets argon configuration. Then next, magnesium also losses of two electrons, it get neon configuration, and oxygen gaining of two electrons, it is also gaining neon configuration because it loss or gaining to form stable ionic bond.